For BMW X3, I changed the brake pads, but completely forgot about the brake pad sensor. Brake light is on, so just gonna show you how to change brake pad sensor in 2004 BMW X3. Take it off the wheel right here. So the brake pad sensor located right here, and the wire go all the way here. So there is a plug. So we got a new sensor here. So it's about $18 in O'Reilly. So what we should do here first, so we need to lose the sensor from all the brackets, so we can install the new one. The first bracket right here and the plug, need to disconnect the plug. Another one is right in here. It's so easy to remove, it's just rubber, and then you just simply pull it out. It's dark or hard to see. Just a clip there. So, but you need to replace the brake sensor after you replace the brake pads. I changed the brake pads a few months ago and forgot about the sensor, and the light was on. So here we got the old sensor. As you can see here, it's all wear out. So this is the new sensor and the old sensor, so you can see the difference. Okay, this is important part. As you can see on a new sensor here, one side had a bump, other one is don't. So the bumpy side, you need to put it this way, front of you, so there is the actual sensor in that bump, and it have to go on the side of the rotor. So this is the way it goes in there. So it's in the place there. Sorry guys for the bad video, the camera is not so good on my phone. So next step, you just simply go over and mount the cable of the sensor. The final step, lug